So, okay, grabbed the camera. My wife just told me that FedEx came, so I've been sitting here waiting for them to show up all day. So I believe that, and I'm hoping that finally the wheel is here that we have been waiting for so long. So we're gonna go test fit this wheel and see, of course, if that is. Oh yeah, here we go. All right, wheel is here, yes. I gotta give a huge shout out to Jegs Performance. I have to admit, these guys, man, have been so patient with me. They have sent me, this is the 5th wheel that I get. We've been trying wheel after wheel after wheel. It's been so hard to get the right offset and everything. So I'm hoping after talking with them, I actually get a hold of Weld wheels as well. And with their guidance, we think that this should be the right wheel. This is an S71 Weld wheel. It's a 15x8 with a 5.5 inch backspace. So we're gonna open it up right now and test fit it. I already have the car, was already jacked, waiting of course for this wheel to show up. So let's go check it out. Man,
what was this? A weld wheel, right?
I really hope this is, I'm telling you guys, man, this has just been such a pain in the butt. I mean, I'm hoping this is the right wheel. According to the offsets and everything that they said, this should fit. It's the S71 wheel. Oh wow, look kind of nice too. I like it's with the black. Wow, it's pretty cool.
Okay. That looks
wow,
real nice.
Cow, this is so light. Oh my god. Yeah. Well, actually, just by giving it a first view, the offset looks like it's going to be pretty cool. Well, let's go check it out. Let's see what we got. I have everything removed already. By the way, you guys, new shirts. These are the new shirts with the RBPOWER logo on the back. RBPOWERshop.com. Make sure you guys check it out. Let's see what we got. All right. Well, actually, I have a spacer here, but I'm not even going to use the spacer for right now. I want to see if it's going to work without the little 10 mil. Oh my god, look at that. Holy shit. That's perfect. You see that space? Literally, right there. Nothing touches. The back, actually, just by looking at it, it's not touching at all in the back, but we're gonna see. My concern might be up here. We'll have to see. But either way, I mean, now this is just without a spacer.
Yeah, how about with the spacer?
If I was even to put a spacer on it, which we have a nice 10 mil hub-centric spacer here, we can let's see what it would be like if we included the spacer. Well, it actually gives it an even better fit, to be honest. But okay, sweet. Wow, all right, I'm excited. You know what? I'm not even gonna waste a second. I'm bringing this wheel immediately. We've got the tire. Now the goal, oh geez. The goal is to fit, we're trying to fit a 275 50 15 all around. So we've got the tire, we've got one of the Mickey Thompsons with us. We're gonna go bring it right now to one of our friends down at Star Tire. These guys have been helping us for years, so we'll have them put the tire on and we'll come back and check it out. All right, we are here. This guy's a friend of ours, Star Tire. Roberto is the owner. Great guy. I've been coming to him for years, man. You see a little shop like this, you don't think much of it, but this guy, man, has taken care of. I've let him mount my LM GT4s, my VSXXs, any tire that I've had, any rim, anything I brought has always come here. These guys have already taken care of us many, many times and continue to this day, so let's go check it out. Hey. What's up? So I can let you know. This is the owner right here, Roberto. What's up, my friend?
How you doing, bro?
How you doing, brother?
Everything okay?
Yeah.
For the GTR?
Yeah, these are drag wheels for drag racing. So I want you guys to, I've got a tire with me too that I want you guys to put on for me so we can test
okay.
it.
I can do it right now.
Well. Yeah?
Give me 1 second.
Cool. Star Tire, you guys, this is where we come all the time. I've been coming here for about 8 or 9 years, so cool place, good people. This guy's been taking care of me forever, so. Roberto, you have an Instagram? or YouTube?
Yeah, I have Instagram, I have everything. I
What's
see
your
you on Instagram, I see you on Facebook.
What's your Instagram for the store? Do you have the Instagram for the
No,
store?
I need it for the story right now because
Okay.
I only have for myself.
Okay. Well, like I said, Star Tires. We're gonna put their phone number and stuff on the video. So
Let's mount this tire. I want to see
by
how
the
this
way,
goes.
this is the tire we're mounting. It's a Mickey T ET Street R Edition, 275 50 15. That's the one that we're gonna be putting on, and hopefully things are gonna go well.
Hopefully.
Look at this. Always taking care of us. Making sure everything is always properly installed.
Man, when I do tires.
No scratches, no nothing, man. I'm telling you, I brought tires. I mean, I brought wheels here. My Ellen GT4s, I didn't think twice to bring them here. These guys took care of me right away.
Bye. Have fun at work.
Mrs. RBPOWER. And then we'll see without it. Oh man, oh man. Let me tell you. I'm just these are the wrong lugs, by the way. I'm just putting them on just to keep it from moving so I can see clearance. Wow. Well, we're gonna know better once this goes down.
Yeah, once it's on the ground, for sure.
Oh boy. Something tells me that it may touch. This is pretty close. It's pretty close. But we'll have to see. I can't put it on the ground because I don't have the right lugs. The back we know will fit for sure. The back's gonna fit 100%. It's just a matter of the front. We might have to put a bigger spacer on it. Right now it's just a small 10 mil. It doesn't even require, but looking at it, without the 10 mil spacer, it probably would have touched the back. So guys are running anywhere from 10 to 15 mil spacers with these. So if we have to, we'll just get another, we'll probably order a 15 mil spacer. All right, so we are finally unloading the last two tires. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you for my tires, brother. Appreciate it.
No problem, mate.
What do we got here?
An RB20 block, thanks to our friend here, Mr. Fazal.
What's going on, brother?
Who's also a fellow S chassis owner. He also snagged a downpipe for me that I really needed for my car to finally get my exhaust put on.
Yeah, we want to thank our buddy Fazal. He drove all the way up from like what, Northport? Were you? Northport.
Not too far.
He's donating this RB20 for us for the RBPOWER cause. So that's cool. We got an extra motor here that we'll be able to use whenever we need to use it. Good block.
We'll do a little RB20 build.
Oh yeah, we got a spare head. We got, you know, you never know. Always put stuff to use. So, when's your car gonna be done?
Well, whenever I start it.
Yeah.
What, shorts in the back?
Should be all around. These are the S71 Weld racing wheels that we were told would fit perfect after talking with Weld. 275 50 15 tire. I mean, we're running a 275 35 18 right now, so I would imagine this is going to be a nice fit for this. You might need to make some adjustments, right, bud? But we'll see.
Might have to raise it maybe like quarter to half inch.
Mm-hmm.
Depending on how it sits, I mean.
That's definitely a lot more tire though than we had.
Yeah.
All right, so time to see how this is going to be on this side. Well, yeah.
Wow. Plenty of space.
I mean, it's going to need to be. I mean, you think we'll have to?
I mean, if it's gonna stay like that, if it doesn't settle too much, then no. Obviously, but depending on how much you squat, you take off.
Mm-hmm. All right, we'll see what the other one's going to look like. We're good. It's definitely meaty, all right. Probably gonna have to roll that fender a little bit, no? What do you think?
Well, when you're gonna get on it, it's gonna squat, yeah.
Because I mean, it was almost rubbing that 235. I mean, that 275 35 18. No, those are 275s.
265, 35, 18.
275.
265.
275.
How do you have 275?
Ha! Man trying to tell another man what he has on his car. We used to have the 265s. Those are the 275s. We had the
275
yeah.
this whole time?
Yeah, that's a 275 35 18 that was on there. So yeah, judging by this, the backs fit perfect. We're going to try the front ones right now. We need to go pick up a little 10 mil spacer because that is definitely mandatory. And we'll see what that looks like. With the front one on right now, we're gonna drop it and see. For sure, we're gonna need to definitely cut some of that shaving. Yeah, we're gonna probably have to shave a lot of that that body kit. To be honest with you, that Dula kit is really preventing it from. But I mean, oh my goodness, does it tuck?
Height-wise, it's fine. It's just basically the inner liner of the body kit.
Yeah, it's touching the bottom of that kit right underneath there. So we're gonna have to, because stock-wise, that
touches
bumper.
that full lock.
Yeah, yeah.
The stock GTR bumpers flare in.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, as you can tell, though, it is definitely what we're looking for.